ngay thatu te chi bai le vekule voin hi me ni som thum kumsan hi som ni panga zir top ni ania tunchuma hian USA a rial le thlipui ba ka ro pui thok chungchang hi kantar lang le donanga me ni som ni pariat ni lai ni liam tak khan USA a abikin Austin Texas a rial na sa takin atla he hianin kongtam takin boina le harsat na athlen ni in antar lang ani ole hemi chungchang hi tunchuma hian kan bi chiang don ani kan soi thui main video hi kan enanga ichuan akar laka thil thleng te kan dar lang chun zom zel do nia
We need water, nothing.
ole kan huang hian rial hi alien khop maya an report dan chuan rial hi inches thuma lian ni in an tar langa mun sang sanga rial hi atlana sa he rial hian boina na satak USA hian a thlen ni in report a om ani
Austin, Texas was battered by a severe hailstorm on Wednesday, May 28, 2025, with reports of hailstones reaching sizes up to 3 inches in diameter, comparable to baseballs.
ole kan en takang khan rial ta khanin boina le harsat na thlen dan tu chu kan hriat thiam pui karinga kan hu takang khan lir theite po adeng chena sa a tin chubaka chena in te po adeng chena sa don ti chu thil chiang tak ani rial ta wanga mizorama hetia anga harsat na thleng to hi kan hriat chu comment section lama kan tarang ton nia
The intense weather event, which also included strong winds gusting up to 77 miles per hour and torrential rainfall, left a trail of significant damage across the city and surrounding areas.
ole rial tabaka hianin thi hi atle na saboka dakar khata kilometer somsari pasaria chakin atle ni nan darlanga eirangut po hi boipui tham ania chuti lai kara rial ta hetianga atlen zui wang hian kongtam takin boina atlen ani ti kha kan hriata thome heti kan en mai po hian chiang takin rial ta la om tur zia hi kan hriat karinga swimming pool ate atla a landan bera chuan lunglian tak tak mai wana changa ron tla tha ang ber maya pona omchu thilti chi wak ani lawang hetiang anga lian le hetiang ang zata tam hi kan rama rial hi tlata se chuan boina na satak kan to nge arin om ane
Residents described a chaotic scene as the storm moved through, with hail pounding homes and vehicles. The destructive hail caused widespread property damage, including shattered windows in homes and businesses, dented vehicles, and compromised roofs and siding.
ole kan huang hian ruwa baka thlipui athok boka rap thla khop maya USA hi abikin kumina hian ruwa pui le thlipui thoka wanga boina le harsanan to thu hi hriatura tam em maya an van duai hle ani ti kha kan hantar lang du ane
Notably, the iconic Texas Capitol building sustained damage, with glass panels near the top of its rotunda reportedly broken. The University of Texas's Disch-Falk Field also experienced significant damage to its outfield and stadium facilities, impacting the sporting venue.
Oh my god!
Tin hei baka hian rial na sadak tla hianin mun sang sanga buina thlenti kandalan to kha abikin Austin Texas a hian mi sing sari velin he rial tla wang hian power supply an nei lo pha a mun sang sanga rial tla hianin electric wire da chu ati chia tin chu baka thirban tam tak te po adeng chiani te point darlan ha ani.
Emergency services, including the Austin Fire Department and Austin Travis County EMS, were overwhelmed with calls, responding to multiple water rescues across the city as flash flooding inundated streets and low-lying areas, rendering some roads impassable. The severity of the storm prompted officials to urge residents to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel, as crews worked tirelessly to assess.
Ole kaka tundin muna USA a ropui le thlipui baka rial ta wanga boina le harsat nan to dan hania abigin Texas hian khongai thla khup maya amai ro chu sarkarin theito pan chu mek zela chanchu na le chanpui ngai te chanpui turin thunei tu te chuan theito pin man la ni ti kha kan hriat a tho me ole khati zong kha tun tum video a USA Texas a rial le thlipui wanga boina le harsat nan to te kan tarlan thei chu hanie